A visit to Mars. Mars and our solar system. Our Sun is a medium-sized star. It formed more than 4 billion years ago. The Sun and all the objects that orbit it make up our solar system. Gravity is the force that holds objects in orbit around our Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, Mars. After the Sun, the 8 largest objects in our solar system are planets. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Comets, asteroids, and moons are also part of our solar system. Mars is mostly rock and metals. Its surface is covered in a layer of iron oxide, or rust. The first 4 planets from the Sun are rocky planets. Scientists call them terrestrial planets. At night, Mars looks like a red star. From a distance, Mars appears red because rusty-colored dust swirls around in its atmosphere. Up close, red, brown, tan, and even green-colored mineral-rich soils are present. Mars and Earth, neighbors in space. The atmosphere of Mars is thinner than the Earth's, so it is harder for Mars to hold on to the Sun's heat. Mars, on average, is a colder planet than Earth. Many objects in space have an atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere has the right combination of gases to support life. Olympus Mons, a volcano on Mars, is the largest volcano in our solar system. At its base, Olympus Mons is about the size of Arizona. Just like Earth, Mars has clouds, wind, and dust storms. Mars also has mountains and volcanoes. We know water does not flow on Mars today, but it does have icy polar caps, like Earth. Mars, like Earth, spins on its axis. Because they spin at about the same speed, their days are almost the same length. One complete turn, or spin, takes Mars 24.5 hours. A Mars day is 24.5 hours long. An Earth day is 24 hours. Mars is about 142 million miles, 228.5 million kilometers, from the Sun. Earth is 93 million miles, about 150 million kilometers, from the Sun. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mars and Earth have days that are similar, but their years are different. 1 year is the time it takes to make a complete orbit of the Sun. An Earth year is 365 days. It takes 687 Earth days for Mars to orbit the Sun. Curiosity rover. Mission to Mars. Many spacecraft have visited Mars since the first mission was launched in the 1960s. Each time a spacecraft gets close or lands, information about Mars is sent back to Earth. NASA's Curiosity rover sends images to Earth from the surface of Mars. We continue to learn more about our neighbor in space and wonder, can humans live on the red planet? Scientists and engineers are working toward that goal. In the near future, NASA plans on sending astronauts on a mission to Mars on board the Orion spacecraft. Glossary. Axis. Axis. An imaginary line about which a body or planet rotates. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. A layer of gases around a planet. Astronauts. Astronauts. People trained for spaceflight. NASA. NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A branch of the government responsible for the research and exploration of space and space travel. Orbit, or bit, to travel in an invisible path around a larger object, such as a planet or star. Planets, planets, objects that travel around the sun. Star, star, a ball of burning gases.